What's up guys, for today's video I got that here Paradox Serif booster bundle, found it at GameStar. It includes 6 packs of booster packs. It's like $25. On eBay I seen it 21. So let's unbox it to see what it's about. It's kind of cool boxes because I could stick like bulk cards in there. Okay, there it is. We got right here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see what's the pull rate on these things. Hopefully we get some good value stuff and good hits. Okay. Reverse holla and holla. First pack nothing. Chase is on. Let's go. The energy is pretty cool. Ooh, nice. I think it's gonna be double hitter. Okay, a pom, full out. Nope, single hitter. Never know. That's awesome. So one hit. Will we have back to back? I've been pretty consistent, like every third pack I've been getting a hit if I buy it in a row. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, nice. This is shiny Dexterity EX. Beautiful. Okay. So back to back. Wow, this is nice. Will we get like 3 or 4 hits in the booster bundle? Some are more lucky than the other ones, and there's obviously like god boxes to where you just pull everything in one box. Double hitters. This is a good card right here. This is like a couple dollars or like $1 because people like it a lot in the playing deck. So that's a good hit too. When if it's a reverse hollow, it's like a $3 card actually. So not only like EX or better sometimes is a hit. There's value in all of these cards. Okay, reverse and so far 2 hits. Pretty much if I get 2 hits only in 6 packs, I'm like staying very consistent to where I get a hit every 3 packs, like maybe 2 in a row sometimes, but still overall about every 3 packs I get 1 hit. Oh, nice. Nope, this one was a little bit luckier, and I have this one. Beautiful. So I have to trade it. There you go. 3 out of 6. That's really good. Actually hits. I'll take it all day.